So you want to lose weight, but you are not sure if this 21 days program will work for you? Please stop thinking and watch this complete video. आपको अभी results के बारे में नहीं सोचना है, आपको act करना है. You have to take action. Only when you act, you are going to get fabulous results. Hi everyone, welcome to Vedic Nature, your authentic source of information in your journey to health, wellness and beauty. In this video, we are going to talk about a super effective Ayurvedic weight loss program which will not only help you reduce your weight, reduce your extra kilos, but also detoxify you and make you more and more vibrant. First of all, how do you know you have extra kilos? How do you know you are overweight? So here is a basic calculation. You have to take your height in centimeters and subtract 100 from it. So for example, my height is 165 centimeters, and if I remove 100 from it, the balance is 65. So 65 kgs is my ideal weight. Only in the case I am over than 65 kgs, I should look for a weight loss program. What could be the reasons for weight issues? There could be many different reasons like wrong eating habits, lifestyle, hormonal imbalance. There could be any underlying medical condition, or even stress or metabolism issues. If there is no underlying medical condition, this Ayurvedic weight loss program will help you lose weight in 21 days. How much weight will you lose will depend on your metabolism and your body type. But throughout the program, we are going to work to boost your metabolism and help you shed those extra kilos and make you more vibrant, more energetic and healthier. This is a very scientific plan. Now I'm moving to the plan. It is made up of 3 building blocks: external practices, internal practices, and some precautions. External practices are the things which you need to do externally, like the exercises and all the things I'm going to tell you now. Internal practices is going to govern your intake, what you are consuming in these 21 days. And then there are precautions, the do's and don'ts, which you need to adhere to. So please, you have to take care of all these 3 building blocks. And if you do this religiously, and if you do this with your full enthusiasm, I can guarantee you that this 21 days program is going to transform your body, and you will be then more and more motivated to continue this lifestyle. So we will first talk about external practices. I am going to show the slides also. You can take the notes, or you can just comment if you need these slides. I can also share these slides with you over email or any other medium you like me to. External practices. 30 to 45 minutes dedicated morning workout, yoga, Surya Namaskar, walk or dance, whatever you love. आपको 30 से 45 मिनट वर्कआउट करना है, योगा करना है, सूर्य नमस्कार करना है, या आप वॉक भी कर सकते हैं, या अगर आपको डांस पसंद है तो आप वो भी कर सकते हैं. द ओनली कंडीशन इज दैट यू शुड लव दैट एक्टिविटी. आपको बेमन से वो काम नहीं करना है, आपको फुल एंथुजियाज्म से वो काम करना है, सो दैट आप उसको एक बार शुरू करो तो पूरे 21 डेज तक आप उसे कंटिन्यू कर सकें. सेकेंड स्टेप इज बॉडी मसाज विद ऑयल. You can use any oil, coconut oil, olive oil or sesame oils. If you have stubborn belly fat, massage your abdomen also for 5 minutes and massage your abdomen in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Wait for 30 minutes before taking shower. आपको बॉडी मसाज करना है किसी भी ऑयल से. आपकी पसंद का कोई भी ऑयल आप ले सकते हैं, कोकोनट ऑयल, ऑलिव ऑयल और सिसमी ऑयल. अगर आपके एब्डोमेन एरिया में ज़्यादा फैट है तो आपको उस एरिया पे ज़्यादा फोकस करना है, और 5 मिनट तक आप क्लॉकवाइज और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में भी एब्डोमेन एरिया पे मसाज करेंगे. थर्ड एक्सटर्नल प्रैक्टिस. थर्ड एक्सटर्नल प्रैक्टिस इज वेरी सिंपल. This is only 15 minutes of walk after having your dinner. This is very important. Though it is only 15 minutes, it is a mandatory step before you close your day. So these are the 3 external practices you have to follow. You may feel that there is no groundbreaking in these 3 external practices, but believe me, these 3 practices, if you do religiously and completely and adhere to the instructions which are coming in the next few minutes, you are going to see wonders after 21 days. I am again and again saying wonders because this is not only just about weight loss, it is about detoxification, it is about improving your energy and making you more and more active. Now we will move to internal practices. Internal practices are time bound, so definitely make notes, ask in comment if there is any confusion. I'm going to resolve those confusions for you. We will start with the morning. Morning, 2 glasses of water. You might be doing that right now also. That's excellent. Just continue with that. Preferably kept in a copper vessel overnight. Then comes the magical fat burning remedy which you need to follow for these 21 days. All of you know the benefits of amla and aloe vera. But now I am going to add here a magical ingredient which is going to act like magic for your fat loss process. 4 teaspoons of amla juice, 4 teaspoons of aloe vera juice, and 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger. Yes, ginger. Ginger and aloe vera, when they combine, they are truly, truly magical. And they boost your metabolism. So we have covered the morning 2 glasses of water, the magical fat burning remedy. Now, there is no breakfast till 10 a.m. Your meal timing shall be breakfast at 10 a.m., lunch between 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. and dinner between 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Assuming that you sleep by 10 p.m. or later. Between 8 p.m. to 10 a.m., you are not eating anything, you're not drinking anything, you're only taking warm water or water at room temperature. This is important. This is the time when your body is detoxifying. So you can call it intermittent fasting also, but this is a way of Ayurveda to make sure that our body is getting that complete rest and it's able to rejuvenate itself. So no intake, no coffee, no tea, no green tea also. Only water. You can add a dash of lemon in it if you like it. Full day, lots of warm water or water at room temperature, no cold water strictly, no frozen foods. These are the internal practices. You might say that it's too hard to follow to a routine, it's too hard to follow the meal timings as I suggested to you. But again, अगर आप अभी भी कोई रूटीन फॉलो करते हैं, राइट, आपको उस रूटीन से इस रूटीन पे शिफ्ट होना है और ये रूटीन आपके हेल्थ और आपके ओवरऑल वेलनेस के लिए आपको जो बेनिफिट्स देगा उसको देखने के बाद आप हो सकता है इस कंप्लीट रूटीन को हमेशा फॉलो करना चाहें. सो आई वांट टू रिक्वेस्ट यू, प्लीज गिव इट वन ट्राई एंड देन यू टेल मी इन कमेंट्स हाउ यू फील अबाउट दिस रूटीन, राइट? Now we are coming to the third and final set of instructions for this weight loss program. These are just do's and don'ts, the precautions you need to take while you are doing this 21 days program. First of all, I am assuming that you are on your own shall be avoiding any junk food, sugary items, right? So high sugar items, frozen foods, cold drinks and packaged foods. आप ये सब avoid करेंगे. रॉ वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स अगर आप खा रहे हैं तो आप उस पर सॉल्ट स्प्रिंकल नहीं करेंगे. यू विल ईट देम विदाउट सॉल्ट. इन द डिनर प्रेफर वेजिटेबल्स एंड पल्सेस मोर एज कम्पेयर टू ग्रेन्स. Some days it could only be vegetable soups as per your capacity and you will get even better results. For breakfast, you may like to include live foods like fruits, sprouts, soaked nuts. So जितना ज़्यादा लाइव फूड आप लेंगे उतना ज़्यादा ये प्रोग्राम आपको हेल्प करेगा आपके गोल्स अचीव करने में. सो लाइव फूड में दे कुड बी स्प्राउट्स, दे कुड बी सोक्ड नट्स और ऑब्वियसली द वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स. सो अपने नॉर्मल ब्रेकफास्ट में आप इन चीज़ों को भी इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दीज आर द कंपल्सरी थिंग्स बट एज मच एज यू कैन include these things also into your daily regime, you are going to get even better results. So 21 days है, ट्राई कर लेते हैं. अगर अच्छे रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे तो यू आर ऑन योर ओन गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू इट. सो आई होप यू आर वेरी क्लियर ऑन हाउ यू नीड टू डू एक्सटर्नल एंड इंटरनल प्रैक्टिसेस for 21 days. What's going to be your meal timings, what type of meals you need to prefer, what things you need to avoid. And as I said in the starting, आपको अभी ये नहीं सोचना है कि रिजल्ट्स आएंगे या नहीं आएंगे. यू डोंट नीड टू पॉन्डर ऑन दैट. आपको एक्ट करना है एज पर दीज इन practices given to you, these instructions given to you. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. If you have any doubt about the timings, the type of meals you need to take, or even the precautions and do's and don'ts, please do write your questions. I'm going to answer. So please do subscribe to the channel Vedic Nature. Please share the video with your friends and family who are looking for weight loss and detoxification and in general are interested in natural remedies, Ayurveda and naturopathy. Take very good care of yourself. Thanks for watching this video and I'm waiting for your comments and I'm waiting for your results. Thank you.